Hello students, myself Manoj Pandey of class 9 mathematics from LPM Public School, Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. Now today we discuss the volume of sphere and hemisphere. Volume of sphere and hemisphere. So we predict that exercise 13.8 question number 6, a hemispherical tank. The tank is a hemispherical, is made up of iron sheet 1 centimeter thick, thickness 1 centimeter, that is changed into the 1/100 equal to 0.01 meter, and the inner radius is 1 meter. Inner radius equal to 1 meter, that is outer radius. Outer radius is 1 plus 0.01 equal to 1.01 meter. Then find the volume of iron used to make the tank. Then find the volume of iron used to make the tank. देखो, अगर हमें किसी भी बर्तन में उपयोग हुए या टैंक को बनाने में जो उपयोग हुआ है आयरन, उस आयरन की मात्रा निकालनी है, वैल्यूम निकालना है, अमाउंट निकालना है, तो उस कंडीशन में आउटर वैल्यूम माइनस इनर वैल्यूम, हम आउटर वैल्यूम निकाल करके इनर वैल्यूम निकाल करके दोनों को सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देंगे. यानी फर्स्ट वी फाइंड द आउटर वैल्यूम ऑफ ए टैंक एंड देन वी फाइंड द इनर वैल्यूम ऑफ ए टैंक, then we subtract to find the value of a iron sheet. So inner value of inner value of tank 2/3 pi r cube, that's equal to 2/3 pi 1 cube, that's equal to 2/3 pi. outer value of tank equal to 2/3 pi 1.01 whole square, 1.101 whole square. So volume of iron sheet, volume of iron tan used to make tan equal to 2 by 3 pi 1.01 square cube minus 2 by 3 pi 1 cube. So that's equal to 2 by 3 pi 1.01 cube minus 1 cube. A cube minus B cube. That is 1.01, 1.01, 101, 000, and 101, 10201. That's equal to 1.0201, 1.01, and 10201, 000, and 10201. That's equal to 1030301. 1.03, यानी 2 by 3 pi 1.03 minus 1. That's equal to 2 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 0.03. 0.03. We cancel 0.01 and 44 into 0.01 upon 7. 0.44 by 7 meter cube. 0.447 meter cube. Now that is now divided by that 0.06348 centimeter meter cube is the volume of iron sheet. Is the volume of iron sheet. Clear? Now next answer. Now the next question, find the volume of sphere whose surface area is 154. 7. Surface area 154 centimeter square. 154 centimeter square. Now find the value. Surface area 4 pi r square. equal to 154 and r square equal to 154 upon 4 into 22 by 7 and that equal to 144 into 7 upon 4 into 22 and 7 r square 49 by 4 and r equal to under root 49 by 4 that's equal to 7 by 2 सेंटीमीटर। देखो क्या हुआ कि सरफेस एरिया ऑफ स्फीयर, स्फीयर का सरफेस एरिया दिया हुआ है, स्फीयर का सरफेस एरिया दिया हुआ है और यहां पर 154 4 pi r square is the formula of surface area of a square. Then 4 pi r square equal to 154 and r square equal to 154 upon 4 pi and that we calculated to find the radius. After that, volume of sphere, volume of sphere 4 by 3, 22 by 7, r cube 7 by 2, 7 by 2 and 7 by 2. 7 cancel 7, 2 2 4 cancel and 2 11 into 7 upon 3 that's equal to 77 into 7 upon 3. $539 upon 3 and now divide that 539 1 3 2 3 7 21 2 29 9 2 0 6 and that's equal to 179.6 centimeter cube is the volume of sphere. Volume of sphere. Now next is the a capsule of medicine is the shape of a sphere of diameter 3.5 millimeter. How much medicine is needed to fill this capsule? Now find the value. Find the value. Now diameter 3.5 millimeter, radius 3.5 by 2 millimeter and the volume of capsule 4 by 3 pi r cube 4 by 3 22 by 7 3.5 by 2 3.5 by 2 and 3.5 by 2 and 2 cancel 4 2 cancel 11 0.5 and that's equal to 11 into 0.5 3.5 and 3.5 upon 3 that's equal to equal to 22.46 millimeter cube approx is that. This is the volume of a sphere. This is the volume of the sphere like capsule. Okay, thank you.